Hey Lewis, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I happened to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website and I figured I'd shoot you a short video for you guys going over 3 things that you all can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can jump on a chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you guys can always take these tips and then do these yourself. All I ask is for some feedback back on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks. And the first one is content, which has a lot to do with your website here. You guys have a great looking site with some great call to actions. And what content is, it is anything, any of these words here, anything that has photos and what they were saved as before they were uploaded. Google is able to see what's behind these photos here, so it's important to have them saved correctly. And the reason that content is important is because Google wants to see you providing value to your readers, as well as wanting to see what keywords are on your site. And so a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on this homepage to be considered an authority, and then have those keywords embedded. One example of a keyword is Kansas City foundation repair. And whenever your future customers are searching for this here, the first thing that's populating are some ads. And that's definitely a great tool to utilize for yourself to increase your business. And if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section. And so the second thing I want to talk about are what's called citations. And that affects this your Google business profile, which would be showing up in this Map Pack section. And so 30 to 40% of business goes into the Google Map Packs. And you want to be ranking in the top 3, and I see that you are, because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the reason that you're ranking is because you have a Google business profile. And there are a lot of factors here to make sure this is optimized, but one of the most time extensive and vital ones are what's called the citations. So you want to make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are in your local directories exactly as it is here. And so you guys are doing a great job here. You just want to keep that up. And if we scroll down here, this is where the organic listing starts. And so here is where the backlinks come into play. This is where your website would be ranking. And an important role in ranking your website are those backlinks. And this is the bottom of that first page here. It's really important to be on this first page because over 90% of people will stay on this first page here. Something that we can do is we can take a look at the back end of your website. I have your website plugged into Ahrefs, and we can see some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. You have 39 and 14. What's making up your ratings here are the just under 6,500 backlinks that you have, and these backlinks are coming from 658 referring domains. A backlink is one website linking to another, like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost the UR and the DR, and there are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down there. So you want your UR and your DR higher than your competitors, as well as making sure you have buyer intent keywords on your site. And the reason that you want buyer intent is because you want to have quality leads. And this way we can help qualify them from the beginning. And so with these 2 things together, you can be boosted to the top of the Google search result and be found for what you would want to be found for. So something else that we can do is the same thing for your competitors. And so KC Pier, they were the top ranking competitor for that specific keyword. And we can take a look at the back end of their website. So they have 31 and 6. What's making up their ratings are just under 1,600 backlinks from 378 referring domains. They have 1,500 keywords on their site and 754 monthly traffic. So what we'd want to do here is we'd want to go in, see what backlinks that they have linking to them, link those to your website as well, because if it's working for them to rank, it'd work for you. And then we'd want to do extensive research for those keywords. So we can go into all of your competitors, see what they are ranking for, but we can also do a separate search as well, because sometimes competitors can be missing keywords. And so if we take a look at Kansas City foundation repair, we can see that there are hundreds and hundreds of people looking for this service in your service area. So we'd want to do this for all of the services that you provide in the areas that you service, and then we'd want to get you ranking for each of those, because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would be converting into your customers here. So just a quick recap. You guys are doing a great job with this Google Business Profile. We would want to make sure that it's in the top 3 for all of the keywords that apply to you. And then with your website, we'd want to add quality content to support those buyer intent keywords, and then have those high quality backlinks going to your site so that you are being boosted to the top of the Google search bar and then being found for what you'd want to be found for. And so I hope that this video was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.